You know, technically, I'm not even really supposed to be here right now. So, f*** it. Might as well make the most of it. Yeah! Feels good! Woo! Guess I'm lucky. Some of us don't get a second chance. But I ain't blowing this one. Nah, man. Dude, I feel like I can do anything now. Catch lightning in the bottle, set fire to water, coming out the nozzle on the fire hose, quiet and swatters.
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Smash an hourglass, grab the sand, take his hands and cup 'em, spit around the freezer clock, take the hands of time and cup 'em.
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
There's a storm coming that the weatherman couldn't predict. I start to bump. You better flee, cause I get ticked. It's a rap. I was down. When I was down, I was kicked. I got up. I'm back to punch it to the ground. You're tricked. It's a trap. My last CD that's in my trash. I'll be if another rapper gets in my I hit the gas and I spit every rap as if it's my last. You can die in the blink of an eye. So pat your eyelashes and keep winking and blowing kisses, cause you're flirting with death. I'm destroying your livelihood. I ain't just hurting your rap. I catch a flow and get going. The remorse I'm showing, they slowing for no one, knowing there's nothing you can do about it. Zeroing on my target like a marksman. The target is you. I shut your lane down, took your spot, parked in it too. Arsenic flow, light affluence, saliva, what can you do? Go get your crew to hype you up, stand behind you like, woo! That boy's hot enough to melt hell. Burn Satan too. Fries and put his asses back together with glue. So you can hate him, he don't blame you. Frankly, he would too. This game could ill afford to lose him. How about you? Now guess who?
Hey.
Here's a clue. He came to the ball in his white Peter, lost his Nike shoe. It's in you. He's in you. He's all up in your psyche too. Now, what's his name?
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella, Cinderella man, Cinderella man. If I had a time machine, I'd bring Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man. Music is my time machine, so call me Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Catch a lightning, he struck it. Scream, shut up, it thundered and flipped the world upside down and made it rain upward.
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Cinderella man, Cinderella, shady Dane came to rap the game up in cellophane. Raised hell from hell he came, but didn't come to bore you with the Cinderella story. Nor did he come to do the same or can't afford to be a lamer in this day and age. And at this stage of the game, mediocrity can no longer be allowed to fly. So say bye to the old H.I. to the new K-Sarah. Consider it his last hurrah, a coup de grace. Raise him high in the sky, keep him up, time to bring the place alive. Thanks for being patient, I won't make no more mistakes. My potatoes baked, homie, the veggies on my plate can fly. My filet is smoking, yeah, the stakes are high. I ain't even supposed to be here by the grace of God. The skin on my teeth and the hair on my I skated by. Now y'all are on thin ice with ankle weights, I'd hate to lie. Irritated are you? How much in your face am I? And ain't you can do but fear it. Proof is here in spirit, and I'm a spitting image. I mirror it when I stand near it. You lyric, I can hear it. Who forms pyramids and rap circles around square lyricists? Who? Here's a clue. He came to the ball in his white Peter, lost his Nike shoe. It's in you. He's in you. He's all up in your psyche too. Now, what's his name?
Cinderella man, Cinderella